Okay guys, so here's the simple interest buying activity that you guys are going to be working with. So this first sheet here is all the different makes and models of the cars. Now if you guys notice, there's important information on here. So you have the make or the year, the make and the model. This right here is a VIN number, that's the identification number of the car. Odometer reading, that is how many miles are on the car. Then you have price, okay? And if you guys don't know what some of these cars are, they give you a little bit of a description, so then you guys can figure out which ones you want to buy. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to look at these 6 models. You're going to pick 3 of them. Now, over on this next sheet here is where you guys are going to write the information. So on this sheet now, you're going to write the information for your 3 cars, and that goes in this column right here. So you're going to write your 3 cars. So if I go back and let's just say I'm going to just pick the Toyota RAV4. So my year is 2019. My make is a Toyota. I'm just going to shorthand. Model is RAV4. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you also need to list the VIN number. So in my case, it's like 3XJ9, blah, blah, blah. Odometer reading, so that's how many miles are on the car. So this would be 27,000. And then the price is, 27,899. So 27,899. So now what you need to do is you guys are going to calculate the interest rate and then how much the car is going to end up costing you during the time for that loan. So you guys are given 2 different banks. So you have bank 1, which goes in this column, and you're going to use that information for that whole entire column with your 3 cars. And then you have bank 2, which ends up going in this last column here. So when you're solving these now, so the principal, remember, is the original amount. So that's going to be the amount of your vehicle. So in this case, for my example, it's 27,899. The rate you take from up in this first information up here for bank number 1. So that would be 12%. Now remember, you have to write that as a decimal. So in my case, it would be 0.12. The time for the loan is over the course of 4 years. So now you fill everything into the simple interest formula. So I equals, remember it's I equals PRT. So principal, which is 27,899, squeezing it in, times your rate, which is 0.12, times the time, which is 4 years. So what you're going to do is you're going to calculate that now. So I'm going to leave that blank so then you guys can do it. Now where it says B equals blank plus blank, what you're going to do is you're going to take the principal amount of your vehicle plus the interest that you just solved for. And then that's going to give you your total cost for your vehicle after the 4 years. And then you would also do the same process now when it came to bank number 2. So again, your principal is 27,899. Your rate now is 9%, so that's 0.09. Your time is now 6 years. Again, you would fill that in. And then you would get your interest amount once you did that on your calculations. Again, B equals blank plus blank. That's where you write your principal amount plus the amount in interest to get your total value of the car after your loan. And you would do that for all 3 of your cars. So once you guys get all of that done, then you would upload and submit this document to me on Schoology.